LEAS Channel Setup Method. Welcome to the Hubsan Zino series. In the Hubsan app to set up LEAS channels. Click on Settings, Transmitter, LEAS by Channel Settings. Go to Settings, you can see the interference of each channel. Select and switch to the channel with the least interference. Zino Pro will automatically check for interference upon restarting and prompt you to switch channels if the interference is large, so you can switch to the appropriate channel. Thank you for watching.